YouTube, Facebook, what's going on? This is Mr. Duty Calls himself. So guys, as you can see, I'm doing some rug cleaning, and I wasn't going to do a video, but I just wanted to show you guys how much dirt this is coming out of here. This customer here said these rugs haven't been cleaned. They haven't been cleaned in 3 years, but you can just see how much dirt is coming out of here. So look at that, guys. Look at that. So the reason how we got this job is we showed our videos point blank. Customer called us up. He was doing his homework, which that is our ideal client. Do their research, and through the research, he saw that we show all our work. We show it, and our price was more than the other quotes that he got. But the difference between us, we showed our work. He was able to see the quality of the work that he was getting. Therefore, he elected to go with us. And we appreciate that. But I just want you guys to see and look at that. Alright, this video is not going to be very long, but I just wanted to show you guys this right here. Show your work. Okay guys, so we just finished scrubbing the back of this rug here. But you guys can see, that's urine right here. So this video really is more so for my customer. They like to watch our videos, so this video is really more for them than anything else. But if this video does help somebody else, help someone out, by all means, take what you can get from it and use it. All right. Alright guys, so all done with the agitation portion of it. I guess we done turned this into a video. You can see all that Wash the dirt away. Alright guys, so look. You can see that urine coming out of there. We're just going to be rinsing this out. I did call the customer up and told him that this little one had some urine in it. And you can see it coming out. Today's going to be a real good day to let this, look at that collection. All right. Let's push out some pee. That's what we're doing. We're just pushing out, and then we're gonna flush it out again, or rinse. Then we're gonna clean. All right, you guys get the idea. See this one here. Oops. I didn't even show that one. All right. So let's go back over this again, but you can see how much cleaner it looks. And the smell has diminished drastically. All right, guys. So we just got finished rinsing and pushing all of the pee out. So we did that process 3 times. And guys, you can see how much cleaner these rugs look. All right, let's get to cleaning them. All right, guys, so we're on the final leg of this cleaning, and you can already see the difference. So we're already starting the cleaning process here. You can see how they added this. So I just scrubbed this a little bit right here. We got the Soap Daddy Bio 8. That's what we using on our pre-spray. These are polyester rugs, so that's what we went with. So everything is sitting there. And this right here looks like it's clean, but it has not been cleaned yet. We just, again, lay down the pre-spray, and then we just agitated it again with old school, laying right there. And so this is what we got going on right here. So we just, right now we're just cleaning everything up. So total cleaning time on this, right around about an hour. Took my time, listened to some music, talking on the phone. Love what I do. So let me finish up here because I do have a 3 o'clock upholstery job that that we have to do. And let this sit out and soak up some of this nice warm day. All right, guys, let me finish up. All right, guys, so doing the shag rug. Give you a little snippet of this. Yeah, I'm gonna get one of those rug suckers, and that's gonna really help me out once I get that rug sucker. All right, guys, let me finish up with this. All right, let's see if we got some liquid filth out of here. All right, guys, we're all done here. Thing came out really well. So we're gonna spray. I'm gonna put some spray and walk away on here, and then we're gonna rake this out, groom it out. So real quick, I just want to show you guys. So I didn't get this portion on the recorded, but guys, if you can see all this stuff here, so that's when we flipped the rug over, and we flipped it over, and we beat the backing portion of or with the vacuum cleaner here. I learned that trick from Chad Mays and his son down at Advanced Cleaning Solutions down in Georgia. So that we flipped it over and was able to beat the back of the rugging out. And you can see here, you can see right here, that's what we came out of this rug right here. Not a whole lot came out of this rug here, but that came out of this rug here. So let me anyway, let me spray up here, and then I'm gonna groom this out, and then I'll show you the afterwards with the grooming and the liquid fill. Oh yeah, guys, all finished. Look at that. Look how much brighter and nice it look. You can see how much brighter this is here, and this here is the crown jewel. You can see it, and we got it all groomed up, and it's nice and warm out, not very humid. It's supposed to be about 70 degrees or so. So we're gonna let these sit and enjoy some of this fresh air, and then later on, if it's not dry enough, I got some fans back there. We're gonna put the fans on it. So let's show you what this liquid filth we got out of these carpets. I mean rugs. Let's see here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. And that big rug, guys, was really heavily compacted. It was very, very heavily soiled. Oh yeah. So I wasn't going to do a video on this, but turned out this was a pretty good video. All right, guys. So this is the end of the video. I got to get ready for my my 3 o'clock appointment, upholstery job. But we appreciate you watching this video, supporting the channel, guys. If you know anyone that may appreciate this content, please share it with them. We're much appreciative of that. Smash that subscribe button, and give us those likes, man. That likes and thumbs up. Leave some comments what you think about the cleaning. How can we make the channel better? That's about it. That's all I got. Let me pull this out. And there you go, Mrs. Shin. That's your liquid filth. Appreciate you guys for supporting the business. Mr. Shin, we also appreciate your service that you give to us for keeping us safe. He is a active military, so we do appreciate and everything that you do for us. That is the end of that soliloquy. We out. Our Mr. Duty Calls. That is the liquid filth out of 2 rugs. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.